to hide. One day we'll run, we'll see the town. We'll jump and dance, we'll bounce around. Off they slipped onto the floor, through the window, out the door. Skipping, hopping, what a sight. Socks exploring day and night. One got lost, oh what a fright. The other searched with all its might. At last they hugged, both safe again. We need each other thick and thin. Now back home they snuggle